Hello world, this is Charis Kansara from India and this video is regarding to submission of my final project to Harvard University program known as CS50P Introduction to Computer Science with Python Programming. And I agree that my project doesn't violate any academic honesty policy. So let's get to the project. So before that, I want to tell you that while making this project, I had a thought in mind that I don't want a complex project, but rather a simple one, which can be useful for me and maybe others also. So keeping in this mind, I have made this simple program, but a useful one, which can be useful for me and maybe others also. So a little background on me: I'm a college going student, and I got a lots of notes in PDF format, and whenever I want to study a certain topic I get confused like which PDF have which topics, and it takes a lot of time to find PDFs. In order to solve this issue, I made a Python program which automates the task for me. It takes a keyword from me and find all the PDFs having that keyword. This is a simple one but a very useful program I made for myself and can be useful for others also. So let's see what the program does. It also have some other functionality as well. Let's start. So first of all, it will ask for you search area. The area where you want to search to be happen. If you want to search a whole damn device, you can write root. But if you wanna search only certain area, you can input that area location here. But I wanna search the whole device, I will write root. So it gives a three function: show, find, and find contact. So let's see what show does. So what we'll do is it give all the available PDF available on my device and I can see where each PDF is. So yeah. The other function it gives is find files based on file name. So if I want to find something file, I can simply do this and see I got the file having the name having the keyword unit file in it. And the third and most important function of my project it is find content. So for example, now if I want to find a file which contains something related to database, what can be, so it is a file which have all the data in it, and it is made by my Python tutor Jyoti ma'am, so that would be in if I find those. So yeah, as you can see I call the file database underscore cv and the word Jyoti have occurred there two times. So this is the file I was finding actually. So this was my project. I agree it is a very simple project, but it is a very useful project and it solves a real world problem. So I think it's capable of being a final project in the program. So yeah, that's it. This was Cheris Kansara. This was my CS50P final project. Thanks for watching.